Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis about market, crypto, bitcoin, gold, for all of them. So let's see what's going on. I'll start with economic calendar. Today we have FOMC meetings. It might affect crypto, of course. I hope it can came positive on our side. That's why we need to watch out as always. So, what else happening? Trump says Japan to invest in energy industrial project in Ohio, Texas, and Georgia. Lutnick says Japan to invest in project valued at 36 billion. Japan making investment to USA, and this is good because when they making some together investment to each other, that's good sign for us because Japan is important for our side, also USA as usual. And when they making some argument each other, when Japan makes some investment on USA, that's good because it give us some tips about future tariff drops. They might drop tariffs to each other, so it would affect positively because when they made tariff, when they put it on the table, that time we see a lot drops in market. So this is good, and I guess this Takaichi and Trump is kinda not, I guess it's obvious close. So let's see. And Iran-US talks agreement reached on guiding principles after constructive meeting, Tehran says. That's pretty good. We were expecting their peace. Okay, it did not agree at all, but at least we see they agreeing on some point, and this will affect us good. It did not, but God knows why, because there is no any other problem in the world so far. But it did not yet reflected, but it will. So that's what we were expecting, that's what we were waiting. So we will see some result on our charts. That will be good, and for them as well, of course. So total market cap. By the way, today my voice little have problem. I don't know why. Maybe I did drink some cold, that's why. I'll try to say loudly. I'll just move this here. I did not change my idea, by the way, but you know what I will make? I'll just make it straight. Let's make it like that. If it's even drop there, that's okay. I still thinking rice, that's it. Even on Friday we might see some drop, but that's okay. I'm looking and I'm saying generally rice. I'm not telling you when I say rice today it will rise. It might take 1 week, that's okay, as long as I know market will show some bullish movement. So on others, I do still expect this, and even I can make it. No need. Just push it that, yes. After I do expect this rise as well. Why my line like that? Yes. Let's also change it. So I still do expect this. I might see this movement in these weeks. Why I do thinking that? I keep saying I am thinking others will rise, others will rise, but the dominance, Bitcoin dominance is dropping down. Even it makes some rise, it will drop down again. That's why when it's dropped down, when dominance drop down, I'm hoping to see them in others. And when I see these volumes over here, then it will affect altcoins. That's why I keep saying it. And gold dropping down. To be honest, I don't expect any rise from gold. This is not gonna happen. That's my expectation. Still we have position, but I'm thinking it will give us this, how is it, 5%. It will give, cause Iran and US getting agreed and there is no any other problem currently in the world, not that big. So there is no reason to, people think go to safe zone. They will look for some, other risky assets. They have appetite right now, risk appetite. So silver, same as well, is trying to walk, but as you see, it's making. But the things, it's making lower high. They making lower trend. So if it break this, it can reach here, but even if it cannot surpass this and 85, which is critic, it will drop down. So just skip it. Bitcoin, this is my lovely position and it's not getting closer. For God's sake, what do you expecting from world? Iran and US, okay, Japan's make investment to United States. So what you expecting, to be heaven or what? Anyway, it's still in triangle. That's the thing's not changed. But I will just use body now, not wicks. Yeah, like that. So it's still in triangle. Of course, if it's break down, it can make a set, but I still hope it will rise. Let's see. But even it rise, I'm not considering it. This is for pros, by the way. I'm not considering it to buy till it's break this level, because I will earn here almost 7% in Bitcoin, which is more warranty. So Ethereum, it's like walking on the triangle, like, for God's sake. But the things, it has two sides. It will break up or break down. So wherever it's break down, then we can consider long or short. This is Ethereum, guys. I don't know what Vitalik will make. He made some sudden things. Also, it would not find any buyer. So just equal. What is it? I'm getting close. Yeah. Yes, there is also everywhere has some triangle, for God's sake. But the things, it's expanded triangle, so I can say that if it's break up, it will break up sharply. It's not narrowing, it's like huge and getting very squeezed. So I do expect this rise from, let's just make it like that. Oh gosh, I do expect this rise from here. If it's break down, then I can consider here. And this is also not bad. If it rise, even I can consider, yeah, like that. I can make it a little lower enterprise, cause if it's break, it will go straight. I don't think so it will make retest because of the shape of triangle. Soup. I'm thinking 8%. If it give this, if it break up, where's my text? Where is it? Here. Let's make like that. 4x for long. If it rise, that's what I'm considering for myself. And this is 2x. It's lower because it's make some reversal. That's why it's kind of dangerous for new starter. Blah blah, like that. So that's why I'm thinking it will give. Just push them little. I don't see my position very well. Yes, nice. So Bitcoin Cash, it rise and drop down again that level, so continue, just continue, it will give. On Sol, I don't see anything. Where is my, yes, if it's not, if it looks like it will make this movement, but whether it's make this or up, I'm not gonna consider the take till 92 as I told you. XRP, doing nothing. Let's just make flags, which looks dangerous. That's why I don't gonna touch it. It looks like short, but nobody cares. And XLM, you know what? That's make wedge. I can use like that, not this one. So when it has this shape, it can break up and it can give us actually this rise, but I am 5%, not bad, but I'm not gonna consider these to tag. It's just for pros. If you consider, you can consider. I'm not gonna give any price label, or I can give this, so whatsoever. Dash, why is here? I did buy this pretty long time ago. So Zek, it rised 6%. You should also close this. I can count this successful because, as I told you, half close your position when it's reached the half level, then bring your stop loss to entry price, then keep continue. But anyway, I will not mark anything. It came here. I'm thinking that it will give again from here. It still continues. And river, god damn it, river, it's actually, it's made this rise. It will drop down again, but I'm not gonna consider it. I don't like when there is some, stop, but it's just 1x or stop. That's okay. Stop. So guys, I do expect still positive, not maybe we can see some negative news from FOMC or Friday, it's like busy like hell, but the things that's okay. I'm just looking long term. I'm thinking till 17 March, which is Fed, before Fed, or the same day. We will see some rise. We will see some rise movement in Bitcoin, and till there we will see rise in others till 200k. That's why let's just chill. Whatever we have position is just after breakup or breakdown, it's safe. So I'll see you tomorrow.